girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Morphe haul for you. I recently went to the Morphe store in Rancho Cucamonga. I decided to splurge a little bit since I've been cutting back on buying new products. I'm trying to only buy products that can add something new to my collection, whether it's a new formula, new shades, something new. So this first product that I'm about to show you guys, I didn't really think that I would ever purchase it because I felt that it's not really groundbreaking as far as the shades go, but I was curious about the formula. It's the Morphe times Jeffree Star palette. I believe it's just called the Artistry palette, but I didn't really think I was gonna purchase this ever. And these are the shades. I'm very excited about the pressed glitter shade because I don't really have that many pressed glitters. Actually, I don't have one even. The second Jeffree product is a Jeffree Star mirror. I've been really into the color blue lately. Oh, so this is the mirror. Oof, I'm so excited about it. I love it. It's my very first mirror. I've never had a Jeffree Star mirror. Actually, Jawbreaker was my first Jeffree Star purchase ever. And I did get the mini breaker, but those were my first two purchases. There's another Jeffree product. It is the Blue Blood palette. Ooh, girl, it is everything. I love the packaging because it's like pastel goth feeling because it is a casket. And I just think that it's just so badass. So it's like, I don't know if this is like cardboard or I don't think it's wood. I don't know what it is. I'm pretty sure everyone has seen this. I didn't want to get this palette either because I just felt like, do I really need it? You know, blue is the color that I love working with. I don't really know that if I can use that on my clients. So I was kind of like, do I really need it? It's just a waste of money. I don't know. But as soon as I tried the Jawbreaker palette, like, girl, I was so shook. Like, I love the formula so much that I was like, you know what? This investment is kind of worth it, or it is worth it, because that formula, girl, it's everything. The fourth thing that I purchased was a brush set. It's an 8-piece. Girl, get it together. So it's this 8-piece brush set, and it was actually on sale. They're so gorgeous. Let me get them out the packaging for you. So they come in this little, it's a brush bag. They come individually wrapped. Let me pull one off for you just to show you how stunning. It's so stunning. All of them are the same, but they're like covered in like rhinestones all around the brush. And when I saw them, I was like, I fell in love with them. They also have the eye brush set. I think this is 8 pieces, but I believe it has like eye brushes and some face brushes mixed in there. Honestly, I feel like you can never have too many brushes, especially if you're looking to get into makeup artistry professionally, because if you have multiple clients in a day, you need to make sure that you have your brushes clean and they're ready to be used on their faces, and you just want to make sure you're prepared. Okay, so my last thing, my last product, my last purchase is the most recent. I think it's the most recent palette that Morphe launched. It's not a collaboration. It's called the Icy Fantasy. And I needed it because I don't have any pastels. And I believe it has pressed glitters in it, which again, I don't have any. So usually Morphe palettes, if you're not familiar, the names, they come on this like on the protective film thing that come in palettes. And these are the shades. My lighting might be washing out the colors, and of course they're pastels, so they're not gonna be like too in your face, but with a good base, girl, you can make this work. And they have some pressed glitters in there. Oh yes, you can kind of see it a little. Oh, there you go. Super excited about this palette. I can't wait to work with some pastels because I've actually been wanting some. Oh, you know what? There's actually another thing. I just don't know where it's at. Hold on. Where did I put it? Oh, it's right here. It's in the bag. The Louise base. Every single time that I watch Nikki tutorials, she seems to use this base, and there's other influencers that use it, and I've been very curious about it. I chose to get it because I feel that, once again, it's something new to my collection, and I'm gonna see if it's really all that. So yeah, that's everything for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something super quick. Thank you for watching, and laters.